Hi. Today we're going to be looking at the question, what is the difference between convergent and divergent? Pearl, give us an idea what that is.
So in everyday life, the two intermingle a lot. In academics, they can tend to get a bit more split apart. So convergent learning is you are learning the one right answer. And that's, math is obviously that way. Some aspects of grammar is that way. Science is that way. History is, the fact. Divergent learning is looking at a problem and saying, how can this problem be solved? And usually there's many ways to solve a problem.
Right.
You really need both for real life because as you're a doctor, you're going to say, I need to figure out the diagnosis, but I also need to figure out the best way to treat it. And maybe even in figuring out the diagnosis, you have to think outside the box to figure out, how am I going to figure out what this is? Same for parenting, same for all aspects of life. You need to be able to say, there are some fixed answers and I need to find them.
Right.
But I also need to think creatively to get there.
And so what does that look like in our curriculum?
So in our curriculum, we do teach the basics, the math, the grammar,
right.
The things you have to know the facts on. We also try to incorporate divergent learning in every grade. So sometimes it's the STEM learning. There's multiple ways to build something. Sometimes that it's in the art, especially in the doodle books, because you'll have a partial situation. You get to decide how you fill it in.
Right.
So it tends to be more in the hands-on learning, the STEM and the art, whereas the convergent learning is more in the workbooks. That's pretty much, you just need to know the facts.
You're also going to find it in the creative writing part.
That's true.
Yeah.
And that is, if you are building your divergent skills through doodle books or through STEM learning, it will be easier for you to do the creative writing when those assignments come.
Exactly. Yeah. All right. Thank you.